I absolutely love cutting up t-shirts. This was a t-shirt that I wore to my daughter's college event in 2009. I cut this t-shirt up for a trip with my friend girls. We all had Arkansas shirts. We went to Las Vegas. This is one of my skating jerseys. It looked like a regular jersey at first. I cut it. I added safety pins to hold it together. I love to skate. This t-shirt was cut up a couple of years ago. I wore it on St. Patrick's Day. I used safety pins on the shoulder part to create the scrunch look. This black shirt was a 3X, I believe, and I turned it into a skating dress. I wore this in 2010 to a skating event in one of the cities. I think it was St. Louis. Lady Carmel, repping the rock. Yes. Work it. These are some accessories that you could wear with the skating dress. I have a video on YouTube on how I designed these skates, which were white. This t-shirt was cut last year, but I didn't wear it. But I will be wearing it this year. I'm going to a 4th of July party. This video will come soon on YouTube. This shirt was a polyester and stretch blend, so it reacted a little different when I wore it versus the all cotton t-shirts, but I still love it.